We're out here with the Astra model 300, little 380 auto. I only got the one mag, so we're going to stop in between magazine loads, and it's only got 6 rounds in it. So it's a 6-round magazine, which is standard. We're at 7 yards, and we're just going to see how she works. Failure to feed action there. Locked open. Alright, had a couple little hiccups there. I'm using reloads, which generally, they work alright. Let's see what we get here. Alright, shooting to the left. These sights are not adjustable, and this is a pretty tiny gun, so kind of gripping it with 2 hands, I can try it, but we'll see. Alright. Getting better as we practice. Actually, this gun's pretty small. It's not really a target gun. More of a self-defense weapon. There we go. I'm gonna say it's kind of awkward because it's small. I ain't really getting a grip on it, being metal. It does have a snap of a recoil to it, so it's not exactly the most comfortable gun to shoot. Of course, it's freezing ass cold out here. That's getting better. Takes a little getting used to, like any handgun, a little practice. Yeah, it is cold out. I'm going to try some factory ammo. I was using my hand loads. I'm going to try some of this bronze, PMC bronze, and see if that makes any bit of a difference. Alright. I got a second target up there. I'm going to see with a little bit of practice if I've gotten any better with this. Yes, I have. Yeah, it's... See, for the size of it, what happens is you don't have the grip, so you are getting a twist in there. So, but I'm getting better as I go. Alright, one more mag, and we'll take a look. Actually, it got worse as we went. We'll go down and take a look at the target. Okay, with our silhouette, I started off, well, the first one I think went down here. And I started trying to get a better control of it, get used to gripping it off to the left, and gradually with some practice started getting them in the center, getting used to holding it in the recoil, and kind of went with that, you know. Then with the factory ammo, actually not too terrible. I was keeping them all in the black other than for one or two, and then the last one, that's where this one, and that one up there came. But you know, the guns, if you practice with it, it's controllable. It's a little bit different because I don't really have a full grip. I'm only hanging onto that grip with 2 fingers and the trigger finger. But I think the action, you know, once I fire it a little more, smooth it out, knock all the grit and dirt out of it, and get used to it, it's actually not a bad little gun. You know, 6 rounds ain't really a whole hell of a lot, but for a little, you know, that's really not a defense gun. That's just more of a curiosity, something to fool with. Alright, so that's my day at the range, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned.